Hey guys, I'm going to read you a nonfiction book about frogs, toads, and tadpoles. So the reason I chose this one is because if you go outside at night, you should be able to hear some spring peepers. There's a pond close by us, so maybe that's why I'm hearing them, but they're really loud. So get outside and see if you can hear those peepers. Also, you can look for, if you're close to a pond and you're with your parents, you could look for tadpoles because there are tadpoles swimming around right now. Okay, frogs and toads and tadpoles too. Look at this bullfrog croaking. Sorry. Most male frogs and toads puff up their throats when they make a sound. Not all frogs and toads make the same sound. There are little tree frogs called spring peepers that peep. In Texas, there are frogs that bark like dogs. I want to hear that. I'm going to look for a video. The green frog makes a twanging sound like the string of a banjo. I like banjo music. Frogs and toads are amphibians. That means they live both on land and in water. Frogs are usually found around marshes, ponds, or other wet places. Toads live mostly on dry land. So if you want to make a Venn diagram and compare the two, that'd be cool. Frogs have shiny, smooth skin. Toads have rough, bumpy skin. Both are often brownish or dark green in color, with stripes or markings in other colors. But some frogs are bright green, blue, white, yellow, or red. I don't think we have those in Ohio. Frogs can jump farther than toads. Sounds like a challenge to the toad. Many frogs have webbed feet that help them swim. Tree frogs have special pads on their toes that help them climb. Sometimes they climb on our screens. Our cats love that. Most toads and frogs lay their eggs in water, where the eggs hatch into tadpoles. A tadpole looks like a fish. It has gills for breathing under the water and a tail. After a while, the tadpole begins to grow legs and to lose its tail. Its gills are replaced by lungs, and it can breathe air just like you and I do, and live out of water. Sorry, I'm trying to make this. It can shoot out its long, sticky tongue and catch insects to eat. Now it's a toad or a frog. Watch out, flies. Words you know: frog, bullfrog, spring peeper, toad, webbed feet, frog eggs, tadpole, amphibian. All right, get outside and look for those toads, frogs, tadpoles, and eggs, and listen for those spring peepers. Take care, guys.